So today we're going to go and pressure wash a vinyl fence right up in here.
AllCoastLawncare.
So this is the vinyl fence that we're going to pressure wash. We're getting downstream with 3% SH. First I'm going to wet the ground with water, soak the ground with water first, and then apply the SH all the way around here. And I'm going to do the outside. So I use Yard Book. It's an app. I use it for lawn care, but also there's also a thing for measurements in there. So I'm using 200 feet of pressure washing hose. All right, I use that, and the app, I was able to measure it. It will go all the way around to the back side right over there when I go outside the fence. That's what you want to do first. So you want to pre-plan, or make sure you either come to the place with the measuring wheel and wheel it out. Make sure you have enough pressure washing hose, or you could use that app. So when I'm done with the inside, I'm gonna do the outside. This hurts the most. So I'm using 3% SH. If it doesn't take it off, then I'm gonna go and apply another coat of the SH. It's only 3%. And that's the back side, and just all the way around the house, all the way around the other side of the fence. It's about a couple more feet of vinyl fence. And then after we're done with the vinyl fence, we're gonna go ahead and do is on pavers. And for the little flower beds over there on the trees. And there's another flower bed right there. So these flower beds I'm gonna also take care of. And here's a setup right here, downstreaming into this bucket of 3% SH. And there's a pump spray I'm going to use. So whatever's left over, I'm going to put on the pump spray to spray the pavers. All right, let's get to it. All right, here we go. Sit back and relax and enjoy the video. I'm going to go and wet the ground first. Alright, so the reason why I'm doing it again, I made the SH stronger, a stronger mix. So instead of 2%, I made it to 4%. Alright, I know it's like there's like still stuff sticking on the white vinyl fence, so I'm trying to notice it come off more. here's the after. So I started off with between 2 to 3% SH, but I know there are some stubborn stains to get off, and so I went ahead and bumped it up to 4% SH. So I don't know if you remember the back. Let's go look at the back. So here's the outside. So this is my first vinyl fence pressure washing. I hope you enjoyed the video. So next time, instead of going back and forth making my mix hot, I know what to do next time. I'm just gonna make a 4% mix. All right, I'm using 12.5 SH diluted. I'm mixing it with water to make it 4%. So now I got the what do you call it running? My pressure washer running. I'm laying it aside for 5 gallons of water, so that way I could like save this downstream ejector. Oh, look at this, y'all. Let me go get back and get this right here. It's probably from doing the what do you call it, the pavers. So I guess I'm not done. So I'm glad I'm doing this after picture. This after video. Pavers. Those pavers over there. Those over there around the tree, and the one down over there. I got the ball valve inside the flower bed. And I'm pretty much done siphoning the 5 gallons of water. Alright, y'all, so that's the equipment right there. 4 gallon per minute pressure washer, hose reel with 100 feet of pressure hose, and I got 2 extra 50 footers to make it 200 feet. Water hose reel right there with 100 feet of flexzilla water hose, and I got my little 5 gallon bucket. I used to siphon the SH. Alright, hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. There's more videos to come. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.